Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. In today's video, we're testing your skills with 35 advanced English grammar MCQs. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Let's dive in. 1. Which sentence is correct? She has gone to the market. Tips: use has with past participle gone, not went. 2. Identify the correct sentence. Neither he nor his friends were late. Tips: for neither nor, match verb to nearest noun, plural. 3. Choose the correct preposition. He is angry with me. Tips: use angry with when referring to people. 4. Pick the correct question tag. She's coming, isn't she? Tips: use isn't to match as in the sentence. 5. Which is correct? He suggested taking a taxi. Tips: the verb suggest is followed by a gerund. 6. Choose the correct tense. I have known her for years. Tips: know is a state verb, not used in continuous tense. 7. Pick the correct sentence. I wish I were rich. Tips: use were in wishes for unreal situations. 8. Which is correct? She is married to a lawyer. Tips: use to after married when referring to people. 9. Identify the correct option. Neither of them is coming. Tips: neither is singular, so use is. 10. What is the correct form? I look forward to meeting you. Tips: look forward to is followed by a gerund. 11. Which is correct? She asked where I had gone. Tips: use reported speech rules, change tense to past perfect. 12. Choose the correct sentence. Each of the students has a book. Tips: each takes a singular verb. 13. Identify the correct tense. He said he would call me. Tips: backshift tense in reported speech, will would. 14. Pick the right word. She didn't reply to me. Tips: reply needs to when followed by a pronoun or noun. Fifteenth. Which is correct? He is used to waking up early. Tips: used to with is takes a gerund, ing form. (16) Identify the correct preposition. She is good at math. Tips: use good at for skills or subjects. (17) What is correct? You'd better go now. Tips: you'd better is followed by the base form of a verb. (18) Which sentence is correct? It's high time we left. Tips: use past simple after it's high time. 19. Choose the correct word. He is afraid of dogs. Tips: use afraid of when referring to fears. 20. What is the correct sentence? She has a 5-year-old child. Tips: hyphenate compound adjectives like 5-year-old. 21. Identify the correct form. I can't help laughing. Tips: can't help is followed by a gerund. 22nd. Pick the correct sentence. She hardly works every day. Tips: hardly means almost not, place it correctly. 23. Which option is correct? The news is bad. Tips: news is uncountable and takes singular verbs. 24. Choose the right question tag. They'll leave soon, won't they? Tips: use won't they to match will in positive sentences. 25. Identify the correct sentence. She has gone to the market. Tips: use has/have plus past participle for the present perfect tense. 26. Choose the correct conditional sentence. If he comes, we will go. Tips: use simple present in the if clause for a first conditional sentence. 27. What is the correct passive voice? A house is being built. Tips: use is or are plus being plus past participle for present continuous passive voice. 28. Which sentence uses subjunctive correctly? If I were you, I would leave. Tips: or is used for unreal situations in the subjunctive mood. 29. Choose the correct relative clause. The book that is on the table is mine. Tips: that is used to refer to things in relative clauses. 30. Identify the correct tense usage. She knew the answer. Tips: know is a stative verb and is not used in continuous tenses. 31. Which sentence uses wish correctly? I wish I knew the answer. Tips: use past simple tense after wish for present unreal situations. 32. Choose the correct modal verb usage. She can swim. Tips: can is followed by the base form of the verb. 33. What is the correct question tag? He is coming, isn't he? Tips: use a negative tag with a positive statement. 34. Identify the correct preposition usage. She is good at math. Tips: good at is used to indicate skill or ability. 35. Choose the correct form of the verb. He plays piano well. Tips: use s/es with singular subjects in the present tense. That's it for today's quiz. Drop your answers in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed the challenge, and don't forget to subscribe for more grammar tips. See you in the next video.